Hi, I'm Steve Heil. I'm Vice President at Allied Steel Buildings. Being part of the Allied team means a lot of different things. For me, I've been in the business for about 33 years. I've been to a lot of different places. It's really a great place to work because really it's about the customer. It's about taking care of the customer, make sure they're having a great experience. It's very different, right? The way we go to market, who we use for fabrication, who our partners are. We're not beholden to just one company, one way of doing it. We'll do it multiple different ways. Whatever works best for the client, whatever works best for their project, whether that be the type of project, the type of materials, the location. We've got the expertise to do basically anything. Yeah, Undeterred Solutionist, that's a good one as an answer to what we do. Really bring peace of mind. If there's a problem or an issue or something that doesn't just work right, figure a better way of doing it. I said before, we've been doing this for a long time at Allied. I've been doing it a long time, my whole career. We've thought of many things. We've seen a lot of different things.